big hello and welcome to all the planner mums, glam mums and all my subscribers. Hope each one of you are doing well. I'm well and hope the same for each one of you. So today I'm coming on to you with my Villa Beautiful anniversary box haul, and this is the VB kit for our anniversary month in September. It reached very quickly to me. Today is today is September 15th, so this is like pretty fast. It reached and I'll show you. It's difficult to show everything. It was very nicely packaged. It comes with this beautiful journaling card. This is Tiffany's office shots of those. See how pretty. Came like this. Now let me quickly remove and show you the whole box as such. I love the small delicate things they have put, very nicely packaged. Yeah. For now I'll put everything aside. So this is the whole thing that we received. I will not go in any order. Whatever comes in front in my hand, I'll showcase that first. So first is this BB kit. This is how it looks like. Normally all kits come like this, but this time we got these extra goodies as well. It's so worth the money and I love the kit. So let's begin. In this starting we get this beautiful journaling card. So this is the aesthetic of the whole box as such, and then you have this beautiful clips. Yeah, there are two kinds of clips. So one is like a keychain and the other one is like a normal clip that you can put it in your TNs or anything. Yeah, so it looks like this. Yeah, I don't know how this one is, but they are nicely like a beautiful material. Yeah, this one, and then there is one that you can hang it on a keychain or anything. And also she gave an additional these magnetic clips. These are amazing because they simply hold your planners very well. I'm using it for my TN. It's quite magnetic, really very good quality. Yeah, so this is the first thing that came in this box. The second is this VB stickers. It's a full box, like very well, like quite many things in it. I love the colors or the black floral thing. This is the fill in boxes aesthetic plan for this. Deadlines, goal. These are some scripts. The box, its name was aesthetic. Work for it, plan, dream. These are transparent labels. To-dos. Floral deco. Again some checklists. To buy and to work. So for now, this is one of my last boxes from VB because I have plenty of pens and things like that already. But in future, maybe I will order again from VB. But for now, I have enough and I only want to have one subscription box, and that will be the planner purpose because that's like that's very soulful for me. I really love it, that method. And I love Jenny's artwork. So mostly you can be waiting for my October box, which is on the way. Yeah, so this is the beautiful. If many of you don't know, then I'll be undergoing a gallbladder removal surgery next week. So today is the 16th of September and I will be having it mostly by next week. So this is an album she has, okay, like a planner album. Love my pretty pens, in which you can have a pen tracker. You can put the pen deco that you get in her stickers and you can name the pen and you can track your pens that you have. You can also just add subject notes or whatever to do meeting. And then she has these reusable stickers and some folder, and she will have a lot coming in her shop with this size, so you can put a lot of things. It's just a small planner which you can open like this. You can use it for whatever purpose, for tracking or something like that. Yeah, so this is another thing that came in this box. The most excited I am about is this. This is a small pouch in which you have all the necessities when you're just starting your planner. And I love how this, see, there's a heart, the VB heart, and Very good material, very smooth pouch. I love the how white it is. Yeah, and these are all the things that come in this pouch. It comes with the acrylic ruler, acrylic washi card, travel scissors, mechanical pencil, correction tape, double adhesive tape, and tweezers. So it comes with this is a pencil, mechanical, but normally you do like this, right? But this pencil you just have to do like this, and it will come, and the lead will come out accordingly. So this is the pencil that came. All of them this is such a useful tool, especially when you're traveling. This is a scissor, so you can use it for various purpose, and then you can just put it like that back. So this is a scissor. This I have from the Erin Condren surprise box also. So this is another scissor that came. Yeah, and then correction tape. Now I'm going to open that. This is the glue stick. This is the acrylic ruler. Yeah, always good to have a ruler, a pencil. This is the beautiful washi card. See how pretty. And then this one is something I'm very excited because I do a lot of memory planning. So the tweezers really help me for taking out the stickers. And I like the shape of this tweezer, perfect for picking stickers and so on. So this is one of the other thing that we received, which is beautiful. Followed by the kit bag, looks like this, beautiful rose. See, nothing is damaged. And within 14 days I've received this order. Normally that's how soon I receive. Only my last 2 orders took a lot of time, not because of VB send it late. It was there already. It was my shipping the person who comes to deliver the stuff takes a hell of a time to bring the stuff. So let's begin. Still lots of goodies to show you. So this is again the kit box, and I will start with the beautiful pens. So this time she gave us 3 pens. Alright, so other than the pens, we always get these extra refills. Alright, so we have 3 pens. Normally all the boxes come with 1 pen. Last Plant Mom, she gave us 2 boxes. Yeah, 2 pens. This time she was very generous and she gave us 3 pens. Mostly all the anniversary and advent comes with 3 pens, but you will get the 3rd pen only if you order during the pre-sale time and not once the surprise is over. Yeah, so it's mostly named after the box, the pens, and these pens don't only look good, oh my god, they write so well. And when they look good, for all my spreads I have a color for each. I ordered the Sadie stickers as well, so I will be using those pens as well. I'll be getting 1 pen, exclusive pen from Sadie Sticker Advent as well. So these are the 3 beautiful pens. Let's start with the first one. Look at the color. I don't know the names, but you can see the hollow crystals and this very light creamy color. This is the black one with again some black stones, and so beautiful. And this is like a little gray brown color. So these are the 3 pens that came this time. Then these are the sticky labels. The sticky labels, you can use it this time it is a little different design which I really like. You can put it on the side of a notebook and mark it as like a tab. Yeah, so these are the 3 shades that came this time. The sticker book will always be there. This is one of my favorite products from the tracker. I was saying you can use these pens and track the pens that you get. So this is, look at it's black color, no foiling this time, it's black foiling. Yeah, but very pretty. Here are some icons, some boxes, another boxes. Since I have a lot of kits and all the pens, so that's the main reason I'm not ordering much Let's see, maybe the advent I might pick up from BB, but that's it. But for the order of every, like ordering every time, like monthly, no, for now, no, not any. And then here, so this is the sticker book. But I still, maybe sometime in December, I still have my Harriet Wright giveaway, but this time I'll be doing it in for my Instagram, because I've never done a giveaway there. This is the beautiful notepad that came. Everything is very nicely packaged, so it comes like this, and you can put anything you like. It's a notepad, yeah, with lots of pages. And then another thing is this beautiful washi. Yeah, let me swatch them for you. I'll be back in a minute. So this is the beautiful washi and its swatch, how it looks. Beautiful. Then we have this, what is this? Journal cards. Lots of journal cards. Lots means lots. So she gave quite many of them, different sizes. Love my pretty pens. This agenda belongs to hustle, grind, progress, not perfection. One dream, two plan, three succeed. Aesthetic, concerned with beauty or appreciation of beauty. These are all her office scenes. So pretty. Beauty. But again, her kits are, if I like the aesthetic of the kit, it's very difficult to say no, because I really use. This time I was not able to pick up the paper pack. I really regret not picking. Means I really was late for picking up. That's the reason. And this is the pens. So these are all the, what is she called? Journaling cards. And we got another special thing. This is the Aesthetic VB stand. Again, so first you peel off all the papers. Once you've peeled off, you just use, this is going to be the top, and you click it like this. Then this is the below stand where all the four will go. Once this is gone, then you put this on the, there'll be a click sound, and you are done with the this, and you can put your VB pens, whatever you like this. You can put as many as 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, so around 25 pens you can easily put in this stand. These are all the stuff that I received from my VB anniversary box. Really worth of the money, and I really loved everything. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. I wish you all a wonderful day, afternoon or evening. Stay blessed, stay safe.